on breathing heavy. I just got out here. My fucking fat ass. What is going on, nieces and nephews? It is your boy Ung Stunts coming at you live with episode 1 of our lot series. Got a couple of the guys out here today. We're gonna have a good lot day. A few more people will show up here eventually. We got some guys coming with some cameras, so hopefully that'll be cool. We got my boy Noah there, and Dylan in front of us. We're about to grind out some foot brake stuff today. I was gonna put a handbrake on the big bike this morning, however, we slept in and decided to wait on that a little bit. I've been working on the handbrake stuff on the Grom for a little bit of time now, so I figured it was time to put it on the big bike. I'm probably not ready, however, oh, that boy crazy. I need to turn on my idle. That was buns. Oh yeah. Oh, don't kill Dylan. God, I love a CP2. Last week here at the lot, I learned how to scrape the big bike. So my boy right there, Nasty, told me it was time. If you can scrape a big bike, he said you should probably move on to the handbrake stuff, and I agree. Once I scraped the Grom for the first time, ended up getting the handbrake set up and got that stuff rolling. I want to be him when I grow up. All right, we're gonna throw some scrapes. We're feeling warm, we're feeling good. Yeah, I'm fresh, yeah, I'm cool. Yeah, he's nasty. I'm so scared. It's a little chilly today. Might take me a minute to really get warmed up. This is what it's all about though, you know, like I'm by far the worst rider out of the group, but I show up and I try, you know, rocking around with these hooligans, these absolute studs on a bike, push me to want to be better. My tire is so bald, it is time for a freshie. Every time I go to clutch up, I'm just burning rubber, twin. Oh, kill him. He's killing him. So today we're out here on the 2020 MTO Easy, some might say. It's pretty much fully stunted, like I said earlier. We just need to put the handbrake on and obviously a cage. We ain't got the cage, but we're rocking a 54 tooth sprocket on it. Makes it pretty chillax and easy. She's got about as much torque as you could possibly need. I'll give you a full breakdown later once I get off the bike, but I'm ass. Get him off the bike. All right, I'm fucking scraping. We're scraping. Oh, we will scrape. Maybe not this second. Pop the visor down. No face, no case. You know. Yes, sir. Oh, I looked away. Everyone just clipped. Getting comfortable. Yeah, good. I'm feeling uncomfortable. I'm just a shitty rider trying to be cool today. Oh, he's Brazilian. He's a Brazilian nut. Going crazy with it. I really don't know what I want to work on today. I need to get more comfortable scraping, that's for sure. I've been trying to do that all morning, and I still have not grown the sack enough to do such. I want to get a little more comfortable in my combos, that's for sure too. I'll try to throw one up here real quick for you. Sit down. Foot in the hole, chasing like a scrub. But we're getting there, you know. I've only been on a big bike for probably a month and a half now. Been stunting for 8 months, 9 months. Anyways, yeah, I don't really have a structure to this first lot. Figured we'd come in here, just get some clips, try this whole thing out. Really don't know what we're gonna do, but that's part of life, you know. Life is just
all about figuring it out. I need a new tire. I can't even grip up. This shit is just senile. My tire just spins, and once it finally grips up, my shit's already doing 40 miles an hour. Complain, complain, complain. That's all I do is complain. We'll let him get in front. Ooh, I like that helmet. It's a nice helmet. Safe and clean. Oh, nasty. Get it cracked. Look at this. That's a handbrake, baby. It's like a senile old man. I don't learn. I've scraped, so I know how far back I can go, and I still get a little freaked out sometimes when I get too far back. Oh, yep, that's the sand. And a bald tire. That'll do that to you. Alright, you know what? Enough playing around. We are scraping. Right here. Right here, right now. Clutch up. Stay on the gas. Head back. Oh, Lord, I got scared. I got so scared. I'm such a little baby. Gosh. Grow up, kid. Grow up. You're right. I'm sorry. I'll grow up. Slowing it down. Slowing it down. Keeping it down. I don't know where the gang went. Yo, I gotta give mad props to the people that can just sit here and chit chat, bro. I'm at a loss for words. I don't know what the hell to talk about, bro. Y'all like crypto? Anybody do crypto in this bitch? That was about as shitty as I could ever do a goddamn wheelie, I'll tell you what. Let's see if we can get a good one here. Oh, so close. Almost did it. CP2. CP2, baby. Oh, ran the other day. My old fat ass. Legs are sour. Sour. Legs are tired, not sour. Don't even make no sense. I just want to scrape that old twin. Ah! Oh, there they are. They were swanging it. The boys were swanging it. Nasty boys swanging it with each other. I just get so scared. I don't understand. I'm just a little pussy. We did it, baby. Let's go. That's a scrape. That's how you scrape. That's not how you scrape. The Papio Killer. Oh! Killing them. Let's do some staggered. I don't really like staggered. Gotta get good at everything. Kill Noah. Kill John Lennon. Yup. I think we almost just witnessed death. Send my regards to the family. Oh! Oh. Yeah! That boy's nasty. Wait till he gets on his MT or his FC. Come on, boy. Probably the best around here, I would say. Pretty sure he's also stunting in Hey Dudes right now, which is like a fucking power move. Oh no, he put Vans on, never mind. Hello, mister. That stop FC shit. Oh lord. Track work. Oh, I took a break. My old ass is cramping up. Damn. Oh, I got a cramp. I'm dying. I'm legally blind. scrape. I want to try to scrape on camera. See if we can get him a good clip. That boy going to film school. He's pretty nasty on camera, low-key. Nasty. I went from a little staggered to a sit down. Oh shit! Woo! That was scary. Tried to go one-hander, almost lost my lunch. I don't even know why I'm trying to foot lock here on this thing. I got that wonk seat and this shit got me locked in real good. I don't even need to do that business. Damn, I'm breathing heavy. I just got out here. My fucking fat ass. Chase, 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 chase. I'm chasing that shit like I got GSP on me, bruh. That's ridiculous. Right? Oh. Oh, he's nasty. Oh, he's nasty. Oh, damn. Lower it down. Put it down, kid. Put it down, kid. Oh, we got Slayer on out here on the MT. FC. This guy's cracked. Ooh, it is hot in this bit. It's funny because earlier I was talking about how chilly it was. Now the sun came out, not chilly no more. Comes. Yep. Disgusting. Absolute sicko. I love it. Coasting. Oh! Get a vertical. Oh god, that sounds loud. Oh my god. Just scraped half the lot. Oh, he's crazy. That's my Pookie right there on God. That's my other Pookie right there. On everything, twin. Why Brian always feels like a psycho. He always says, I feel crazy, I'm a crazy little boy. Oh god, the camera's on me. I'm scared. I'm scared as hell. That was clean. That was clean. Hopefully he got that. He knows I'm ass. Told you boys, I'm the worst. Worst in the game. Ah! Scary. Ah! Sad. Disgusting. I just want to kiss that front end while it's in the sky. Killers. Pretty cool. I'm sure that guy got a good video. That's awesome. See if we can give it a straight. Oh, just killed Slay Rock. Gave him a scrape though. Clean. I'm starting to be able to scrape on command. We got had a couple times today where we got some pretty decent ones. I'm starting to learn where that feeling is of tapping it and then bringing it back down. We'll get there. It's all about seat time. You know what they say, you know? We got that one saying that rules above them all is seat time prevails, I think. What they call it. I don't know. Something like that. Blocks is hot. Blocks is hot.
cool to be able to do this. This is always one of my dreams growing up as a kid. Just to, one, be able to wheelie in general, but two, to be able to have somebody enjoying watching you do it. Kind of show out for them. Kings first. Kings in my world. That boy a king. Let's do a little follow for a second. Watch these nasty ass boys. Kill my boys. Oh, we got the headlight on. I just noticed that. I'm blind. You know, continue to force myself to progress. The only way to progress is to be uncomfortable. And let me tell you, when you're a scrub, this is always uncomfortable. I am never comfortable on this thing. This thing is terrifying. Especially coming from the Grom, I was getting to the point where, you know, the Grom felt like a toy, as it should. This thing does not feel like a toy at all. As it shouldn't. This thing will absolutely ruin your day. No questions asked. You let this thing get away from you, and you are cooked. You will be on the floor, wondering where you're at. That's what makes it so fun, I think, for the most part. Let's get some footage of Slayer on here. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely disgusting. Yellow. Scrape, that would have been disgusting. Let's see what you got. Ah! So close. Oh, he could stop you like a motherfucker. There it is. Oh my god, Slayer on is insane. These boys are all nasty. That is disgusting. I'm so bad. I don't want to be on the camera. I'm camera shy, I swear. Like, I'm actually pretty goated, but now that I got this GoPro on me and we got Reggie out here on the films, it's kind of spooky, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know what to do. Don't be cracked. Haha. Quad lock, baby. Yep, that's enough for me right now. I'm gonna take one in, scrape here for you boys. Then I'm at college.